Okay, hey guys. Wait. Okay. Okay, hey guys. I'm going to be making a Jeffy puppet today, and I have my sister here. Hi. You just get your face in front of it so they can see you. Hi. So, this is an example, but this one's like a month old, and it kind of ripped because I have a lot of people play with it, but if you guys know Jeffy, he is a very famous puppet, and he is a homemade puppet, and there is a YouTube channel called Super Mario Logan who made them. So yeah, and what you're gonna be needing for this is a pencil, some glue. Yeah, either a pencil or a pen, and you need some glue, something to color it with, but you don't need crayons. But I just need my pencil box just in case. And
we need some scissors.
Oh yeah, scissors too. So yeah, let's get started.
And plus we need the paper, of course.
Yeah, I think we need like 2 pieces of paper.
So I got the other piece right here.
Yeah. So now we are going to start off with the mouth. So obviously, so you take the paper, you take it this way, and then you just fold it in half like this, just like that. Wait, but make sure it gets it right on the lines too. Make sure it's straight. Yeah, make sure it's pretty straight. Okay, I think that's good. See? And then like that. And then you take the other side and you fold it all the way back around like that. Yeah, so you go like that.
Make sure the other side is not.
Yeah. And then you just glue it. You can use either glue or tape if you guys want.
But we're using glue.
Yeah, because we don't really have tape. Unless if we do, we don't know where it is.
Yeah.
But I have glue. And then I'm going to put the glue on. Okay, guys, so something happened, but I'm back. Oh, oops. I was trying to grab my glue from the camera. Okay, guys, so we got it all right here, and now we're gonna put it like that. Oh. Okay. Okay, then you have to glue the other side.
Does it actually matter if you get it on this side right here?
I think it does, maybe. Okay, guys, so then you go like that. Smooth that. And then you're gonna have something like this. Then you fold it in half like that.
I think I know how you're gonna do that.
Okay, so whenever you go like that, you just fold it in half. Make sure it's straight. And then you take each side. You
fold it back.
Yeah, fold it back.
And fold it. Okay, make sure it's lined up too.
Yeah.
Everything probably has to be lined up.
Yeah. Okay, and then yeah, everything has to be lined up
really well. If you're not pretty sure how to line stuff up, you can ask a parent, or if you're really good, you can do it by yourself.
Yeah, because I'm a professional.
Because he did like 4 of these.
Oh yeah, guys, and I got a haircut, but it's too short.
He doesn't like it. It's too short.
I kind of like it, but it's kind of too short.
Yep.
Okay. Then you just have to glue these. Okay, so it's gonna be like. So this is the mouth, and then on the other side it's gonna be 3 sides, but you're gonna glue it on this side.
You glue it.
And then you put it together. Then you're gonna glue the other side. Okay. Okay, and then there's a mouth, and then there's going to be some holes. But you have to be really careful whenever you pull it out. Be really, really careful.
Because the holes are there for your hands, so you can open up the mouth when you're talking.
But guys, you need to be really careful because there's these things that just go like that. So you need to make sure you get it in the hole.
I think I can do it. Are you the first one to make this? Or did you watch it?
I made this.
You just made it?
Mm-hmm.
Wow.
Okay.
What time is it?
I don't know. Oh, it says right there. It's 11:03.
11:03.
Okay, guys, so this is what it should look like. It should be sticky inside at first, but it's okay. Hey, Naughty, stop knowing. You can color it if you want, and then you just take the top sides and then glue it in.
Are you gonna color it?
Yeah, I'm gonna
Oh,
color
yeah, because we have crayons right here. So
Yeah.
we're gonna color. What are you gonna color? Oh, yeah, the body.
Okay. Just like that. And then I'm just gonna let this sit. So
We're gonna put. I'll put the
okay. So now we are going to make the body.
He's gonna draw it because I'm not. Me myself is not a very good drawer. Mario, you better scooch it over a little bit. It's like way too dark. No, way too. Wait, do you actually need this right now?
No, I don't think I need it yet.
Okay.
Okay, guys, so I'm going to make the Jeffy. You just,
Draw a body.
You need to make the square. But you don't need to do as big as I did. So just draw a square on your paper. Okay, wait. Okay. And then just like that. And then after that, you're just going to draw a line down. That. And then you can,
Like a shirt.
yeah. This is the shirt. And
You
then
just
you
draw a
guys,
line there.
so just like that. And then you guys need to make the diaper. That's why I make the diaper. So there's a small diaper.
Why does he even wear a diaper?
I don't really know. And then I don't know if I'm gonna make it enough space. I might have to do a part 2. Let me just make the shorts a little bit bigger. Okay. Okay, so that's what it looks like. Okay, so I'm gonna put the legs.
You guys are probably thinking the square is the head, but it's not.
It's to put glue on. Okay, so just like that.
That's how you do it.
And then I'm gonna make the arms.
So make the arms. I'm not drawing any of this because
You never made it before.
And plus, I'm not an arms.
And also, I'm teaching her this too.
That's mostly why I'm just sitting here doing nothing.
Yeah.
I'm kind of helping him.
Oh yeah, and right now it's 11:07 here. Kayla.
Why do you keep calling me Kiara?
I don't know.
You're so used to her.
Okay, guys, so this is what my Jeffy looks like so far.
This is not the head, just for a reminder.
Okay, so now I'm going to color. So yeah.
Alright, here.
So we got it. She accidentally did the feet right there. Okay, guys, so this is what the Jeffy looks like. Yours doesn't have to look exactly like this because nothing's perfect.
And
So,
plus, if you guys are just learning this, like me, it doesn't have to be perfect.
okay, guys, so this is going to be part 1. I'm going to end the video right now. So I'm going to do part 2. Okay, guys, see you in part 2.
Oh, God.